बहुत ही साफ़ हवा, बहुत ही सुंदर। कैमरा जस्टिफाई नहीं कर सकता, पर इतनी सुंदर जगह मैंने कनाडा में देखी हैं और भी हैं, बट ये जो जगह है ये मुझे अच्छी इसलिए लगी क्योंकि ये औरों से अलग है। सो व्हाट इट टॉक अबाउट Bog Pond and Lake. So that's the pond, and it's a beautiful place. Honestly, I have seen Calgary, I have seen Banff, Jasper, but this is different thing. We don't have mountain here, but huh. I think yeah, this all green, this orange green reddish shrub इसको कहते हैं अमेरिकन टारमैक आई थिंक। और आई विल गो होम एंड चेक कि भाई क्या चीज़ है ये, बट इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल। जहाँ तक आपकी नज़रें जा रही हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ अमेरिकन टारमैक, बहुत ही सुंदर। और एक चीज़ और है, लाइक इस जगह को कहते हैं मिस्कू आइलैंड। मिस्कू आइलैंड Acadian Peninsula का one of the nice attraction। और आप जैसे देखोगे लाइक बहुत ही प्यारी जगह, और छोटे छोटे पक्षी हैं। आई थिंक आई कांट शो यू विद दिस कैमरा, बट हाँ यार बहुत ही प्यारी जगह है। अब देखो एक लुकआउट पॉइंट है सामने, लेट्स गो देयर एंड सी। जहाँ तक आपकी नज़रें जा रही हैं सिर्फ ये श्रब है। और एक चीज़ और भी है, छोटे छोटे पॉन्ड बने हुए हैं, कोई वो नहीं है, बड़े पेड़ नहीं है यहाँ पे। लेट्स सी व्हाट इट टॉक्स अबाउट। और ये तो है, आप जहाँ तक देखो, look, amazing, what a beautiful place. I don't know if camera can justify this, but it's beautiful. Let's see what it talks about. Industry de la now I recall the peat industry and the environment. So fact about New Brunswick peatland. Peatland covers approximately 2% of the province's total mass, and the Acadian Peninsula District Planning Commission has designed Miscou Island peatland as protected area. So what is this peat? Peat industry stats, I have to learn that. Peat is harvested in approximately 4,000 hectare, which is equivalent to less than 4% of the peatland area in the province. Production was assessed, but what they do with peat? 1.3 million, approximately 70% of production is exported. The peat industry is major contributor to the economy of eastern and northeastern Brunswick. I remember I was at a bar and I meet this guy named Hugo, and he told me that he showed me on his phone. He was driving an excavator, and he told me that he harvests peat. So at that time I thought it's just moss or something, but now I know what peat it is. Yeah, this early 1940s Sheboygan area. At the time, peat moss was being sought to supply American market and supply from Europe from the standstill during the World War II. Later, peat harvesting was gradually extended to the bogs around the eastern coast of Provence, and eventually became an important industry. Peat industry is big, I think, mostly focused on rural area. In 1970, following the rapid increase of peat extraction, the province undertook a series of detailed investigation of the industry, followed by a complete inventory of its peat resource. From these study emerged the need of managing peat resource better in order to sustain healthy environment. of the industry and protect the environment. Thus, in 1979, legislation was enacted to protect the province peat resource. In 1987, environmental impact was adopted. The assessment of potential environment impact, which include other rare endangered species, and the determining effect of drainage of the surrounding body. Yeah, I think what we have is really beautiful, and we should preserve it. Yeah, yeah. So it talks about why it's important. So you can use your smartphone to understand how plant green are cover in summer and maximum green, and they start turning brown in autumn. We are in autumn right now. So why it's important, understanding how plants can change over the course of year, give us insight how peatland function. University of Plymouth, and I think Plymouth, where is it? Is it American University? I think so. Okay, how old are these bogs? 5,000 year. Oh wow. Oh wow. And how this formed? 8,000 year ago, these bogs were formed. They were shallow lake. Depression left the melting ice. Peat. Shergum is a plant, I believe. Organic debris. What is a bog? Bog is a wetland. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this thing really nice. They are like really soft. Okay, time to go. And we are deep into the Muscu Island. Um, so some person in the village told me, yeah, they told me that there will be a lot of mosquito, but trust me, there is no mosquito. And the cold air coming on your face and the sun makes it really nice environment to have a walk and enjoy this nature. And I see a lot of bird chirping. So yeah, I don't know if I can show you on the that, but yeah, and you can sit and enjoy the view. Let's see. Amazing and beautiful. I wish I could share this all of my loved ones, but they are real nice. So what kind of birds they have? Yeah, I saw yellow throat, and I saw flycatcher, and I see palm weber here. Yeah. Oh wow, Musco Island is renowned as one of the best bird sighting in the province. Yeah, no wonder I was able to see, and I can see them. They are just flying from one tree to another. बहुत ही प्यारी जगह, बहुत ही सुंदर. I love it. Yeah, beautiful, gorgeous, and there are no car. There is no nothing here, and that's the beauty, you know. That's the beauty of this place. There is another pond there, and I love nature, and I will say to everyone कि भाई घर से बाहर निकलो और थोड़ा आप घूमो. And you don't have to go to fancy bar. You don't have to go for, you know, all these things. Okay, carnivorous plant. So they eat plant. Okay, yeah. They look like from my science class. And I see berry there. Oh, blueberries. There are a lot of blueberry. I don't know if you can see them or not. They are blueberry. You can eat them. I have tried them before. Let me see if I can get some. Yeah, so these are berry. फनी 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 थिंग, मेरे को जो भी कोई मिलता है मैं उसको अपना नाम बैरी बताता हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स ईजी फॉर देम टू कॉल मी एंड दे डोंट हैव टू go hard on their throat or their tongue. Yeah, so funny, very funny. Yeah. Oh wow, amazing. Orchid gem of the bog. No doubt, no doubt. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह यार. Like if I don't have to work and if I do not have to stress about money, I would prefer to live in a place like this. Okay, so here you see, what is that? I'm not sure. Yeah, I do not want to eat that. Weird. Nope, this is not berry. Well, this is what it is. Okay, so nice walk. Mescu Island. So I woke up late. आज देर से उठा. अगर जल्दी उठता तो I would have gone to some museum or things like that. But दोबारा फिर किसी और दिन. बहुत ही मैं कहूँगा बहुत ही सुंदर दिन. ना गर्मी है ना सर्दी है, अच्छी धूप खिली हुई है, आसमान साफ़ है, प्लस आप इतने बढ़िया नेचर में भी हो. तो दिस इज़ something I like, I enjoy. We are close to the parking lot now. Yeah, it was just a 10-15 minute walk and it's good for you, good for your health. It changes your mind too, right? So you feel good and keep you sane. Yeah, very beautiful, amazing. Yeah, we are close to the parking lot now and house आपका है थोड़ा सा दूर. आओ चिड़िया. ओह नाइस. तो नेक्स्ट स्टॉप थोड़ा सा दूर है, 10 किलोमीटर की ड्राइव है, 10 मिनट में पूरी हो जाएगी. एंड बस यार फिर वहाँ चलते हैं, देखते हैं. दिन अभी भी जवा है और मौसम अभी भी हंसी. कई बार मैं फिल्मी डायलॉग बोल देता हूँ, बट अगेन बहुत प्यारी जगह है, बहुत ही सुंदर. अगर आपका कभी आना हो इधर तो ज़रूर आना एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आप निराश नहीं होंगे. कि सबसे बड़ी बात यह है, जनता आती नहीं है इतनी दूर. सो bienvenue means welcome to the Miscou's Island. Yeah. Okay, कुछ और जनता आ गई है. चलो भैया अपनी गाड़ी में बैठते हैं और चलते हैं. ओके. बताओ, इतनी दूर, इतने रिमोट एरिया में भी लोग रहते हैं. और मैं कई बार सोचता हूँ कि भाई ये लोग कैसे रहते हैं यहाँ पे, है ना. बट आई थिंक ये लॉबस्टर के लिए बार्न है, ये लोगों के लॉबस्टर ट्रैप्स हैं. एंड दिस एरिया इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स lobster and seafood. So mussels, lobster,
कई बार मेरा इन प्रॉपर्टीज़ को देख के ख़रीदने का मन करता है और मेरा मन करता है कि मैं यहाँ रहूँ, है ना। पीसफुल जगह है, सुंदर जगह है, बट फिर मेरे को लगता है कि मतलब कि यहाँ पे आप करोगे क्या, वट यू विल डू फॉर लिविंग, यू नो। और ये सुंदरता सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको लगती है क्योंकि आप बाहर से एज अ टूरिस्ट आए हो, राइट। बट जो लोग यहाँ रहते होंगे, क्या उनके लिए सेम सुंदर है या उनके लिए ये चैलेंजिंग है? मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली उनके लिए चैलेंजिंग है। उनकी सुंदरता हो गई 4 दिन में, 10 दिन में, महीने में आप छिक जाओगे, राइट। लेकिन आई बिलीव जो सर्दियाँ होंगी वो हार्श होंगी, सड़कें साफ़ नहीं होंगी, है ना। आप क्या तभी भी इसको इतना सुंदर कह पाओगे? सो दिस लुक लाइक टापी, द टेंट they have, like Native American used to have, and it was center of something, but we don't know. So this star sign, you see, this is for Akkadian star. This is Akkadian star, and पूरे रास्ते में हर जगह ये आपको मिलेगा, and that's Akkadian flag. तो Akkadia is a Akkadian Peninsula is a region in Canada. आपका नॉर्थ वेस्ट न्यू ब्रंसविक। पिछले समय में पूरा नोवा स्कोशिया ये सारा अकेडियन के अंडर, अकेडियन पेनिनसुला में ही काउंट होता था। इट वाज कॉल्ड एज अकेडिया। बट अभी जो है अकेडिया इज़ जस्ट दिस नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न न्यू ब्रंसविक। तो आपको पूरे रास्ते आपको दिखेगा, क्या कहते हैं, ये अकेडियन स्टार, है ना। और these people are French, like they came from France, but Acadia was being raided by Englishmen from America or from other colonies, like the 13th colony in 1600 or late 1600, and they have to they were raiding their village, taking their property, है ना। तो Acadia have to go through so many things. So it was a war between English and French. So these folks were like they were Catholic, but English were Protestant. So there was a religious conflict. Plus they have different way of life. They have different coded law. So French people have something called Napoleon law, and different kind of governance as compared to the, oh, that's beautiful. I was not expecting that. This area is called Lake Faye, and one car is coming, so this might be a beach or something, I'm not sure. There is a lot of camper van. Let's see what's there. So I am going to go in there just to see. So I can do this like whole day without being bored, but again, okay, stop the engine, put in parking. Okay, let's get out. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So I was talking about the Akkadian star, and that's the Akkadian star. So they paint their drum and everything, and एक चिड़िया। मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता, मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं, है ना। इतनी सुंदर जगह है। I never saw it. I think that's Gaspé Sea, I believe, but I can't say for sure. आज पानी समुद्र का नीचे है, तो yeah, and it talks about what kind of bird live here. So bird of prey, oh, you have hawks, you have northern harrier, falcon, owl, yeah, and Miscou's Island one more time, and I like the way they make these chair table. You can sit and you have to enjoy. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ yeah, yeah. जाने का समय और it seems dry. They made this on steel piles because maybe because of the water. I hope there is a way we can go to that island, but I'm not sure. I will not try with my car because I do not want to be stuck here. तो जब मैं ये ऐसी लकड़ियाँ देखता हूँ तो कई बार मेरा मन करता है अगर मेरा ट्रक होता है यहाँ पे, I would have taken them. They can be carved in a really beautiful piece of art. So, but I have my small car today, so no, I think you can sit, enjoy your lunch. Pardon my cough. Yeah, and I see a lot of moose sign there, so I don't know if you can see. Let me show you. So there are a lot of moose sign, so I think there are moose too, but yeah, hey, बहुत ही सुंदर चिड़िया. Going back again. जैसे ये घर है, आई सम टाइम वंडर कि इनको कितना अच्छा लगता होगा सुबह उठ के. बिल्कुल साफ़ हवा, साफ़ पानी, समंदर का किनारा, नदियाँ. देयर इज़ नो नदी दो. ओके, आई होप वी कैन गो देयर जस्ट फॉर वॉक. आई सी you can go, but I'm not very sure. Okay, so here there should be a lighthouse. Let's see. Okay, so these guys there and pray for sale. So I was talking about Acadia again. तो ये लोग, इनकी जो मातृभाषा है वो फ्रेंच है, बट दे ब्यूटीफुल घर. भाई बहुत ही सुंदर घर. क्या नज़ारा होगा इनका. ओह नाइस. ओके, बहुत ही सुंदर. जब ये सुबह उठते होंगे तो इनको कैसा लगता होगा. कई बार मैं ये सोचता हूँ, है ना. कुछ लोग और भी हैं वहाँ पे. लेट्स सी, वहाँ चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. अगर ऐसे रुकता रहा मैं तो हर जगह रुकूंगा भाई. क्या क्या सुंदर जगह है यार. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at the church there. ये घास है. I don't know what they do with that, but look at that church. Look at that church. लोग रह रहे हैं. That's the lighthouse we are going. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, that's the island we are going, and lot of cars there. Yeah, let's see. People are just staying there, going on the beach, and it's a nice place, to be honest. Like summer, I will come here, take a swim, take a bath, or whatever. Yeah, and there are people roaming around. They have their fishing rod out. People are from Nova Scotia. Oh wow, Ontario, and me coming from Quebec. बहुत ही प्यारी, बहुत ही सुंदर जगह. Let's go. Let's take a stop there to the island now, because we are getting late. And the other thing I noticed about New Brunswick, कि जंगल बहुत ही dense है. Jungle dense है, but the trees are not big enough. They are like small. They are like thin. And the reason, I was talking to a couple of people in the village, they told me कि भाई ये thin इसलिए है, there was logging happened back in the time, and these haven't recovered yet. So that's the lighthouse we are going. So yeah, and again, a lot of peat bog. Yeah, so let's find what we can do here, where to go, how to go, and all. Okay, so there is a proper parking, and they have like really old houses as well. People can go up too. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so this is the end. You can't go further from that, and it's called Paris. I don't know what Paris mean, but it does mean something for sure in French. And you see the tree, the dense tree I was talking about. It's dense, right? So let's park, close the engine, and get out of the car, and let's see. I can tell you one thing, that these are because of the wind. You see how they are bald from front, and there might be something. Yeah. So let's lock the car, check the view. Yeah. Yeah, there are a couple of old house and tree. Okay, so they closed that area, and let's see. Oh, nice car. Look, people can go up there. I want to go up there. No camping, no fire. Okay, I see people being in the water quite far, and the waves are here. Oh, gorgeous! It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. The Toronto, Montreal, they are unique. They are good in themselves, but just looking at this gives me goosebumps. And look at this old house, old window. They have siding made of wood. A lot of people though. Yeah, my car is a little bit dirty there. That's fine. Okay, let's read. I think it's closed now. Souvenir. I wanted to get some souvenir for sure, but I can't see. Lagu. Okay. Oh, here also they talk about shambles. There is a more over. Okay. Where to start? Believe it or not, there are monsters in Acadia, or more precise, a gigantic, horrible female ogre. Oh, I would be afraid of her. The famous Gozu, Samuel de Champlain, the great explorer.
So, just to give a background, Samuel de Champlain was a French French person who came to Canada and explored this area. So, if you go Quebec, Champlain is a hero. They so you see they call savages, and when they say savage, that means it's natives that I. There is moreover a strange matter worthy of being related. Would not reach their waist and do the picture her. Okay. In fact, the Micmac is Indian, Native American, not Indian like me. Yeah, indeed, it's a beautiful island. Let's go. There's a lot of history with this place. Lot of history. First lighting system, so from 1856 to 18. Oh, it was imported from. And that's beautiful Canadian flag. The Lightkeepers Cafe. I wish I would have come here earlier. Miscou's Lighthouse. Tons of the Trinity House, which is. Yeah, there are a lot of lighthouses in Acadia. Before it closes, let's go get in. Hello, hi. Can I get a ticket to go upstairs?
Yes, $6.90, please.
Thank you. Give me a minute. Debit.
On debit, okay. There you go. The tap is just at the back.
Oh, so it.
Oh, you have to slide it in.
yeah.
Okay, to the front.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
So this place have a little character. This place have a little character. The character of the.
Oh, yes. Okay, I'd have to restart.
Sorry about that.
It's
Okay.
debit, right?
Let me put it on credit like it would be tapped.
Credit? Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect. 690, make sure I get the right numbers, okay? The tap is just at the back. Perfect.
Thank you.
This is your ticket, sir.
Thank you,
Would you
ma'am.
like a copy?
No, thank you.
No? Okay. So you go up on this side, there's information as you climb to the top,
Yeah.
and there's a guide at the top to answer your question.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, enjoy your visit.
One more thing, like I saw a souvenir shop there. Is it open?
It's closed.
Okay.
Everything is closed, we're the only ones open for this season.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay.
a lot of fishing nets, and the floor is nice. Yeah, it's new probably, but look at these logs. Please do not write on the wall, of course. Net, lobster, crab, they catch everything. Andrew Wilson built a house on the point of land became known as Wilson Point. He and his family, I think I saw this house with his family, 8 boys and 2 girls. Oh wow, they had a lot of children. Was the solo settler there? A part of island known as Wilson Point or La Pointe Nior in French is one of the Miscos Island important historical site. Miscos Island, first permanent resident was Andrew Wilson. Yeah, Wilson being an look at the size of logs. Crazy. Figured out things. Hey, yeah, this is the bridge I crossed to come to Miss Cove. On risk, okay. Oh, nice. Moscow to Moscow. $6,000 not bad. Fighter pilot. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Let's go up and see. This is my ticket. You have to pay $6 for the ticket. Okay, we are close. We are very close. The light has. It's barely 6. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
By any chance, can I go out?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Oh wow. Just look at that. So this is the, oh wow, amazing. The tree I was talking about. Crazy. It's crazy beautiful.
gorgeous. So I want to see that sea monster now, which Samuel de Champlain is talking about. Okay, so this is light. It reflects. I think it started somehow. No, yeah, it reflects something. And that's the Wilson Point. You can see the wave crashing. And definitely I'm going to go that beach. Yeah, so all these shops are closed. More people are coming. Oh wow, that's the bog. Oh wow, amazing. And I see some lobster nets there. Okay, so Miscos Island and the lighthouse is done. Little bit chat with local folks. I enjoy these kind of things, and it's a big attraction here. People, yeah, it's a really nice view. Yeah, so that was the Pete Walk, and this is the and thank you for visiting us. Let me write something. Thank you. Have a great day. Yeah, people come here for picnic. I'm not sure if it's open, but we can try. I see something like cup plate and everything, so maybe open, maybe not open. I don't think so. It's open. It's closed. That's the restaurant there. So I believe you can come here, and people are doing photo shoot for their wedding or something. Yeah. Let's see. You can go down there. It's closed. I wish this would be open and I could have seen something a little bit more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. तो भाई यहाँ आने के लिए आपको पहले आना पड़ेगा न्यू ब्रुंसविक. अगर आप फ्लाइट से आ रहे हैं तो जस्ट वॉच योर स्टेप. अगर आप फ्लाइट से आ रहे हैं तो आपको आना पड़ेगा मोंगटन से 2 घंटे की ड्राइव है. एंड इट स्मेल्स.
This way, and then Paul come this way. Okay, reste là, this way.
That's ocean for you. Beautiful. Let's see if there are some crabs in these crab boxes. तो भाई मुझे नहीं लगता इनमें है कोई क्रैब. ये है broken ones, but really beautiful. आप just देखो. And that's the lighthouse. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah. Lot of seaweed and it smells like sea. Lot of crab और मक्खियाँ भी हैं यहाँ पर. But I think that's fine because well what I see. Oh, crab. Okay. बड़े ही तीखे दांत हैं भाई इसके. जिंदा ना हो कोई. बट हाँ क्रैब है यहाँ पे. Look at the water sound. एक बड़ा पेड़ दिख रहा है. आई एम नॉट श्योर. तो आपको जो पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं पीछे बैकग्राउंड में, दैट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ क्यूबेक. And it's as crow flies 60 km from here. एक और crab shell. Lot of crab shell. I think they तो यहाँ पे 55 मुझे जो बताया यहाँ पे 55 एक्टिव कैप्टन शिप के कैप्टन जो हैं वो रहते हैं. And they do lobster fishing, crab fishing and पर सीज़न होता है मई से जून तक का. And they do that and that's it. Now they just enjoy at house. So I was amazed by this tree. I think it was fell into the ocean and it came here by that. Look at the fiber. आप ये देख रहे हो कितना fibrous है. So it's already thin, it's light, but आप देख सकते हो like it's really old tree. You can see the layering, right? So कम से कम 50-60 साल पुराना ट्री है ये minimum. More than that, but ये मान के चलो it's old. I'm amazed कि समंदर और कुदरत कैसी चीज़ है ना. Like she throw this thing out of. And look at this one. Yeah, you can sit, enjoy, and whatever. Lot of crab shells, as you can see. You can sit, enjoy, and this is light, all wet. So it's a beautiful place. मैं अभी वहाँ था ऊपर on that lighthouse. It's gorgeous. तो भैया जी घर जाने का समय आ गया है. Now I have to go back and I am amazed even by these rocks. They are beautiful, you know. So I think हम यहाँ से जा सकते हैं. बहुत ही पीसफुल जगह. अगर आपने यहाँ आना है, मैं इस जगह का नाम है मिस्कूस आइलैंड. वन मोर टाइम एंड वन मोर टाइम इट्स कॉल्ड मिस्कूस आइलैंड. और अगर आपने यहाँ से यहाँ आना है तो इट्स अराउंड 300 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम माउंटेन. आप दुनिया में कहीं पे भी हों, यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक अ फ्लाइट टू माउंटेन एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू जस्ट हैव टू ड्राइव 300 किलोमीटर एंड आप यहाँ आओगे. दिस प्लेस हैव लॉट ऑफ हिस्ट्री, ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, ब्यूटीफुल कल्चर. और बस यार अच्छा. Yeah. Now going back to the car. or let's see what we can do in Muscos Island. If you are a nature lover, oh, you will love it here, trust me. So आगे रास्ता बंद है and unfortunately मुझे वो monster नहीं दिखा जो मिक मैक लोगों को दिखा था और जिसका बयां सैमुअल डी शैम्पलेन ने करा था. So I can't see that monster. But nice experience and I loved it. Okay, that's the island. How can I do that? Yeah, that's the famous lighthouse. Beautiful. And heading back to the car, and I see Indian people as well everywhere. No offense. And look at my car. कल रात की पार्टी के बाद it got dirty. Yeah. I need to take it to get it washed. Okay. Ciao.
So now we are heading towards Wilson Point. So Wilson, it's in 1850s there was a guy, Wilson, I don't know his full name, but I read it on internet. A guy named Wilson landed in एक आदमी था जिसका नाम, नाउ हम जा रहे हैं विल्सन पॉइंट. एंड Wilson was a guy who lived here. He was English but Catholic, so he married a Acadian woman and he had 8 sons and 2 daughters, and this community became bilingual after that because they were speaking both language. So lesson for Quebec, कुछ सीखो क्यूबैक वालों. Be more adaptable to the change. People are still coming. It's a beautiful day. I can see the other side. I see a city there. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, nice truck for sure. And I can see the mountains. These mountains are in Quebec. So Quebec is not far from here. If you have to go Gaspésie, you can easily go. And that's the public beach in Muscos Island. You can go there, you can walk there, but I think I am done with the ocean today, maybe other day. So yeah, it's a beautiful place. Yeah, it's a public beach. I think it's really good for summer. So if you want to come here in summer, अगर आप यहाँ summers में आते हो, then you wanna enjoy. So look at that house. Look at that house. The Acadian boat. Yeah. And yeah. So that is one thing. No, this is not the Wilson house. Let's see where we're going. So here. Yeah. I am driving really bad, but ठीक है मेरे भाई. So yeah, so that's because sea is low today, but you can see it's a nice area, and it's hot and sunny today. So a lot of fishermen, a lot of Captain Jack kidding. So when we were coming here, we stayed at this place, yeah, and a lot of moose, I believe, on the island. There is houses, pretty remote, I must say. itself when I still have the sunlight. But अगर possible हो पाया तो I will show you that bridge. And this bridge was recent. 20 years back there was no bridge, and this entire bay was freezing, so people were driving on the sea, on the ice. So मेरे को याद है when we were kid, we were हम वो देखते थे यार, क्या कहते हैं, आइस रोड ट्रकर, और आइस रोड ट्रकर पे लोग इस तरीके से चलाते थे. बट दिस इज अ रियल लाइफ थिंग. एंड आई सी the guy on the lighthouse, the travel guide, was telling कि भैया people used to drive their car between the islands. So you see a lot of people in their camper van, they come here, stay close to the beach and live in the nature. So yeah, beautiful place. अभी हम जाएंगे विल्सन पॉइंट. आई होप एक souvenir shop खुली हो, because I really want to get something for Reggie, because Reggie was kind enough to let me stay at his place, and I am very grateful for him, grateful to him, not for him. Yeah, so yeah, thanks to Reggie I was able to come here and see this beautiful province. And so somehow there is no tree here because it's a low land. तो ये यहाँ पे क्या है, bogs हैं. bogs का मतलब पानी भर जाता है. And this is like old phenomena, so that was okay. So this is what I was showing you, the Tapi. And yeah, so यहाँ पे bogs हैं. तो ये bogs बने होंगे 8000 साल पहले, जब बर्फ़ ज़्यादा पड़ती होगी, है ना. तो क्या होता होगा कि बर्फ़ की वजह से ज़मीन धंस जाती है, आइलैंड है. और लोगों ने बताया मेरे को मच्छर बहुत है यहाँ पे, मतलब जैसा मैं पहले भी कह रहा था. बट लकी मी, कोई मच्छर नहीं मिला मुझे आज. बट अच्छा था, लाइक इट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. नाउ आई फील कि मुझे यहाँ का सी फूड ट्राई करना चाहिए. So let's find a place after the Wilson Point to eat something nice on West Coast Island, something fresh. But I don't know, मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, but we can give a try. Even though this is such a remote place, and people are living nicely, people have good house, car, camper van, you know, all the equipment for their livelihood, and they are doing fine, I think. It reminds me of my own village. जब मैं, I think this is no, this not. Yeah, जब मैं छोटा था, like I used to go to my grandmother's house, and और वहाँ पे लोग ऐसे ही होते थे पहले. But now things have been changed. कई कारण हो सकते हैं. So you see, this is what I was talking about. So they have all these sheds where they put their crab thing, crab nets, or yeah. तो उस ज़माने में लोग ऐसे ही होते थे. But now things have been changed. अब लोगों के पास greed है, पैसा है, and they have seen, you know, and that is what the native Indian guy told me. कि पहले लोग चालाक नहीं थे, लोगों के अंदर greed नहीं था. But when Europeans came here, they saw money, they saw different side of the world, and greed came in, and things were never the same after that. So I feel bad, but it's not me to feel bad. It is what it is, right? So I feel whatever happens for a reason. And this was the walk I did earlier, but now we have to get out of here soon. It's not late, but yeah, I feel it's better to go home early and flex a little. But let's see. Drive slowly. Yeah, so we see the sea again there. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, and sun is coming into my eyes. Yeah, this is Beat Walk. Beautiful place, yeah. तो ये निगवाक से आपका कितनी ये निगवाक से आपका भी 1 घंटे की ड्राइव है. आई टुक अ स्टॉप इन ट्रैकेडी. तो ट्रैकेडी में 1 घंटे रुका मैं. आई हैड टू बाय सम हाउस स्टफ एंड हैड टू ड्रिंक अ कॉफ़ी. सो वहाँ मैंने 1 घंटा बिताया एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग बैक. दिन अभी भी जवां है एंड so beautiful car for sale on the roadside, and I want to show you everybody have a big boat. Yeah, so all these sheds, you see those boat, yeah, those boats, so 55 captains, and you will see a big boat there, right? Every house have that boat. Every house have a boat. ये तो है. कोई हम चलते हैं और मिलते हैं भैया जल्दी ही. कहाँ? विल्सन पॉइंट और दी हार्बर, जहाँ से बोटें लॉन्च होती हैं. तब तक के लिए अलविदा अलविदा अलविदा. तब तक के लिए अलविदा. एंड या लॉट ऑफ बोट. लुक एट दिस वन. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल. Little bit unorganized, so grab. तो भैया यही है जो है. I like that 4x4. Amazing. तो जो खूबसूरत बात है भैया ये घूमने की. दिस इज द चर्च एंड इट्स अ हिस्टोरिक चर्च, मे बी 150 year old. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट द गाइड वाज टेलिंग मी अबाउट द चर्च. नो, आई हैव टू टेक अ टर्न. Wilson Point was the other way around. Okay, so from here I will take a turn. Let's go. Retro Martin, but it's closed, I think. Nobody's coming. Let's turn around. Yeah, okay. So this is the Wilson Point I was talking about earlier. तो वही विल्सन नाम के आदमी के नाम से है ये. Okay, let's turn. Let's see if there is something to see or not, but let's go there. So I wish कि भाई मैं अपना ट्रक लेके आया होता तो मेरे पास कयाक होती, मेरे पास अपनी क्या कहते हैं वो होती साइकिल, and I would have more fun. So next year what I will do, I will have all these handy with me. So and that's the fun part कि भाई आप घूमो, इंजॉय करो. किस वन लाइफ. आप काम करते हो, सब कुछ करते हो, तो आपको ये करना चाहिए. आई थिंक आई एम नॉट अ ज्ञानी बट आई और ब्यूटीफुल हाउस. तो मेरी एक कमज़ोरी है भाई. मेरी कमज़ोरी है घर. यहाँ से जाऊँ, है ना, और जस्ट आई डोंट नो, मे बी लिटिल बिट ग्रीडी, बट हाँ मेरा मन करता है कि मेरे पास ये हो, है ना, घर हो. Okay, so people are living on Wilson Point, that's for sure, and they are lifting the house. Cool. I have to do that lifting too, for one of my house in Montreal. Yeah, but really nice. तो हम चले विल्सन पॉइंट. आई डोंट नो कब तक. ओके, ये देखो, ये है अभी पेड़, छोटे छोटे पेड़, और हम जा रहे हैं जंगल में. कल रात को तो भाई मैं गुम हो गया था जंगल में. आई लॉस्ट द पाथ. आई वाज ड्रॉपिंग जूल. Oh man, is that fine? सबके पास ATV होती है. दे गो ऑन देयर ATVs इन द जंगल, एंड या दे हैव फन. सो So now the road is a little bit sketchy, and you can see this is the bog again. So this island is full of these bogs, and yeah, there is no network by the way. So अगर मैं कहीं फंसा तो भैया बहुत ही दिक्कत हो जाएगी. बट मैं फंसूंगा क्यों? That's the question, right? I am a good driver. एंड आई एम अ केयरफुल ड्राइवर. बट आप ये देख सकते हो बॉक्स हैं यहाँ पे दोनों तरफ. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, अमेजिंग. रुचि आएगा, रुचि के साथ भी ऐसे घूमूंगा फिरूंगा, एंड इट विल बी फन आई थिंक. लुक एट दिस. एक और पॉइंट. आई थिंक नेचर वाइज कनाडा सुंदर है. दैट मच आई कैन से, है ना. तो नेचर बहुत ही सुंदर है कनाडा. लाइक इट्स अमेजिंग. बट वही है, यू नो, इट टेक्स टाइम. इट टेक टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग. आप कई लोग अकेले वो नहीं कर पाते, अकेले नहीं घूम पाते लोग. जहाँ तक आपकी नज़र जाएगी सिर्फ यही है. छोटे छोटे पॉन्ड बने हुए हैं, छोटे छोटे क्रीक्स हैं, है ना, और बहुत ही सुंदर, मतलब कि अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. तो अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं विल्सन पॉइंट आई थिंक. और एकदम से आप देखो कितना एकदम से आता ना समुंदर, बहुत ही प्यारा. सो ये है आपका विल्सन पॉइंट. आई थिंक एक बीच है यहाँ पे, सुंदर है. इट्स अ सेपरेट प्लेस. आई थिंक वी कैन पार्क हियर. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, बट मेरे को लगता है गर्मियों में अगर आप आओगे तो इट वुड बी रियली नाइस. I think I can park close to the road. Nobody's coming here. So yeah, it's a beautiful place, honestly. Park, kill the engine, and let's see what is all about this Wilson Point. I have my keys in the pocket, and oh wow, oh wow! Just hear the look, look. Oh, it's a sandy beach. Hey, there is one car there. People are doing fishing, and it smells like ocean. Oh man, amazing. Amazing. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. Hi there. Did you catch something?
No.
Not today?
No.
No lucky day? Okay, enjoy your evening. Bon journée. तो एक आदमी था भाई, मछली पकड़ रहा था वो, एंड आई आस्क्ड लाइक अगर आज उसने कुछ पकड़ा, लाइक इट्स सैंडी, इट्स नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल, एंड या लुक, इट्स गुड, लॉट ऑफ सीवीड दो, बट आप जस्ट देखो कि कितनी प्यारी जगह है यार. There are grass, lot of people there, and it's a long beach, you know. Massive. Oh, he left his bucket. His bucket is here, and lot of pebble. Lot of pebble, yeah. Oh, I see another lighthouse quite far though. I don't know. Camera, I don't think so you can see that in camera, but so in summer I believe you can come here and you can enjoy the beach. It's a little bit muddy, but yeah, and you see like pristine sand and somebody's dog, or I don't know what it was, but yeah, people are doing fishing here, so they must be catching something. And beautiful Acadian autumn. And I see seagull. Yeah, it's a clear sky. Somebody's boat is there. Oh, I love those. Yeah, a lot of pebble here, but I guess that's fine. Rocks, yeah. And let's see. Lot of mats. There is one abandoned boat there. And I see a couple of guys doing fishing. It's a little bit cold, but not too cold.
नाइस वॉक ऑन द बीच. पानी की लहरों की आवाज़. इट्स एक्साइटिंग. Yeah. So one thing I don't like is this, it's old because you can see it's broken completely, right? I don't like these things. People, the garbage, look at the tree trunk. Yeah. Oh wow, it's a long beach. And I'm far from my car. I will walk. And that is what keeps me healthy. So let's see what's there. Like यहाँ देखते क्या है. कि किसी का मछुआरे का तो सुंदर जगह है यार, नो डाउट. बट लोग गंदगी तो फैलाते ही हैं. दिस इज़ अनदर बोग आई थिंक. इट्स नॉट अ बोग बट हाँ. और एक चीज़ और है, लाइक इन न्यू ब्रुंसविक people do not have city water. Most of the places don't have city water. They dug their own well. और पानी की क्वालिटी थोड़ी ख़राब है यहाँ. So you have to drink from plastic bottle. And talking about bottle, I see another garbage. But what I can do, I'm just a tourist. I can bring awareness. And look at this shell. It look like rock, but it's a really cool shell. Pretty clean and pretty old, I guess. Yeah. Hide the bottle with the shell. और सीगल मछली पकड़ने के लिए तैयार. तो मैं आपको स्मेल तो नहीं बता सकता यार, स्मेल थोड़ी सी है. और लुक दिस सोप बार. Oh beautiful rock. What a beautiful rock. ये है भाई साबुन जैसी लग रही है ना. Let's see. A lot of rocks here. Maybe because it's a Gulf of Saint Laurent. So if you go straight, you may reach Madeline Island. Yeah, and to go there, you have to use ferry. One day I will go there and I will show you local fisherman. So I will book my tickets. अभी से बुक कर लूँगा मैं और अगले साल के लिए. एंड आई विल हैव B&B एंड वट नॉट. तो अच्छा रहेगा. इट्स अ लॉन्ग बीच आई थिंक. अब मुझे जाना चाहिए. लेट्स चेक व्हाट दीस गाइस आर कैचिंग. They have their 4x4. They are just enjoying some beer. And if they get lucky, they will have the fish. So, okay, lot of taboo. So I'm not sure अगर लोग यहाँ आते होंगे. Or lot of. So this is garbage. You see like the fish lines and all. तो ये चीज़ मेरे को थोड़ी सी वो लगती है कि आप थोड़ा मतलब कि करो एंजॉय आप, बट बी केयरफुल. Oh wow, crazy. And yeah, this guy is looking at me. Huh. Hi there. एक मछली तो पकड़ी है भाई.
लोग आते हैं यार, एंजॉय करते हैं. इट्स अ लॉन्ग बीच. आई थिंक आई नीड टू गो नाउ. Look at the water. Okay, so yeah, it wash little bit of sand with the roads. Yeah, let's go. Oh, let's see what's there. Okay, जंगल पता चला है. It's all jungle again. ये हमारी तो जनता पकड़ती है मछलियाँ, जनता करती हैं. Hi there. तो कुछ लोग फ्रेंडली होते हैं और कुछ नहीं होते. तो आपको घबराना नहीं है. तो कुछ लोग फ्रेंडली होते हैं. आप रैंडम किसी से भी बात कर लो, यूजुअली लोग फ्रेंडली होंगे. बट द थिंग इज़ कि अगर कोई आपको रिस्पॉन्ड बैक करता है, आप बात करो. और अगर नहीं करता तो whatever, राइट. और दूसरी चीज़ ये भी है कि भाई दे आर लिविंग इन सच अ रिमोट कम्युनिटी. जो लोग अभी थे, है ना, दे लिव इन अ रिमोट कम्युनिटी. तो इनके साथ थोड़ा चैलेंज भी है कि दे हैवंट सीन पर्सन लाइक यू. एंड आई से पर्सन लाइक यू मीन्स लाइक अ ब्राउन गाय, है ना, भूरी चमड़ी और सांवली चमड़ी. तो चीज़ क्या है कि आप इंजॉय करो, आप उनसे बातें करो, नो द कल्चर, नो द पीपल, एंड जस्ट ऑनेस्ट विद योर सेल्फ. लाइक अगर आपको लगता है कि समथिंग इज़ नॉट सेफ फॉर यू, डोंट बी देयर. बट यूजुअली पीपल आर नाइस. दीज आर माई फुटप्रिंट्स. आई केम हेयर अर्लियर. तो आपको इतनी चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट यू हैव टू, यू नो, आपको इनिशिएट करनी पड़ेगी कन्वर्सेशन. इफ़ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट पीपल, इफ़ यू want to know about the culture, if you want to learn new things, right? तो करो आप वो, and who knows. सिंपल सा फंडा है भैया, घूमो फिरो मौज लो. ओके. So one thing I like traveling is about traveling alone is that you don't have to ask or tell people where you're going, for how long you will be, and all that kind of thing, because I feel if you are traveling, you have more alone, you have more freedom. Oh wow, it's sun in my eyes and it's hard. So I'm sorry, I do not have a proper setup for my vlogging. This is my first vlog. So yeah, and yeah, so pardon me, I'll have a proper setup. So going back to the views. So yeah, like I like this house. This has a lot of character. It reminds me of a fisherman 1700 in 1700, and yeah, he go right at the beach, try to catch fish, eat that, grow tomato in the backyard to make really nice. Yeah, and I see they are catching cod and they are catching some silverfish. I don't recall what it is, but yeah. Oh wow, just imagine when they wake up how beautiful the view will be. Yeah, amazing. Yeah. Hey. Oh, it's a dead end. So that's the end of the Wilson Road. Oh, okay, now from here I have just take U-turn. People are fishing here as well, so yeah. And I see a boat in the bay. Okay, so I will take a U-turn. So that's their Saturday thing. People are doing fishing. A really nice truck. I like this grass. But you will say, but I don't like. I like everything, right? So for me, I am a little bit weird in that sense. So not the signal, but let's take a reverse and then we will be good. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Not to hit the truck. Make sure. And let's. Yeah. Make sure we drive safe back home now. Let me put. Okay. So we have to go back on the same road we came from. I need to have some navigation. I need to get some navigation on my phone, so I will talk to you guys in a bit. And yeah, so for now, ciao, bye. 19 something, yeah, it was old one. Cemetery, yeah. Yeah, look at the houses. Yeah, they are pretty impressive, I must say. Alpine. Somebody told me Alpine. Who's that? Alpine. कल की बात याद रहेगी मेरे को. कल जब मैं बाहर में था तो there was a lady. And she told me I should. So nice pink boat. Yeah, grab. And that's Acadian Star again. Yeah. And so कल जब मैं वहाँ था बार में, कल जब मैं बाहर में था भाई तो हाँ, जब मैं कल बाहर में था तो somebody there was a woman, I was drinking Moosehead and she said like, what you're drinking? And I said like, I'm drinking Moosehead, and she said like, Moosehead is not good. So I asked why she's saying that. People told me Moosehead is good, right? So she said like, go for Alpine, and she bought me Alpine. Yeah. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. So that is stick to my mind, and now I am just driving back home. I don't know if anything is open or not. I hope something should be open, right? And I can go to Tragedy, eat something there, have a McDonald's or whatever. And yeah, तो भैया आज का दिन यही था. आज हमने घूमा Miscou Island. Miscou is a native word from Micmac Americans, the Native Americans, and yeah, so they used to live here. They have stories about a monster, a female monster in the ocean, and they told that story to Samuel de Champlain, who is a Quebec hero or a French explorer. So yeah, and he wrote about that monster, Gu or something. That's the name of the monster, and he wrote about that monster in his book. So I am trying to find books by these French explorer, because they are the one who first explored the Gulf of Saint Laurent. But the challenge is, like, most of them are in French, and French people are not willing to translate. So people like me, they have to learn French, and then you read, right? So but yeah, like, I will try my best to learn French. I already enrolled in a class and whatnot, so hopefully soon. Yeah. Okay. I am going back home. I see beautiful boat everywhere. They have really nice yeah. तो हम चलें, अभी हम चलते हैं, and we are very close. Yeah. अभी तो चलते हैं हम Jackson. Oh yeah, Jackson. Wow, that reminds me of someone. But yeah, story for another time, for sure. Yeah, and I catch this word, I don't know, for sure, every time. Yeah, like somebody tells me something, I will say for sure. Like bonjour. Well, me just being funny, not making fun of anyone. And there is a beautiful sailboat, I can see. It's a beautiful sailboat. And we are going to exit the island now. Now, now, now. Now, now, now. Now, 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 now. Now, now. Yeah, somebody complimented me on my beard too. That's another story. Yeah. So let me. Okay, so I think there is a tourist center. Let me see if there is something I can show you. That's an info souvenir, but I think it's closed now, so yeah, I think it's closed for me. It's written for me means close, so it's closed. Yeah, so nothing to see here. I see the bridge there. Okay, so nothing to see, so we have to reverse.